This is an emergency action notification for all of California. Requested by the federal government of California. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the federal government of California. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An attack against California is underway. Troops from the Empire of Alabama have invaded several states on the west coast of California. These states include Del Norte, Humboldt, Mendocino, Sonoma, Marin, San Francisco, San Diego, and Los Angeles. This is a widespread crisis, and it's believed that
you are now part of the Empire of Alabama. Because of your illegal independence from what was once the United States of America in 1861, we will now ban South California after this countdown.
Ahora eres parte del Imperio de Alabama. Debido a su independencia ilegal de lo que una vez fueron los Estados Unidos de América en 1861, ahora prohibiremos cosas californianas después de esta cuenta regresiva.